Iranian Navy, this is Bhagya Lakshmi. Go ahead, sir. I read you loud and clear.
Good evening, sir. This is Iranian Navy. On the strait is locked and pass from that is forbidden. And there is no any permission for you to use from the strait. You are ordered to go back to your departure immediately. You are ordered to go back to your departure immediately. You get my message?
Okay, copied your message. I will turn back and there is no permission to transit Hormuz. That's correct, sir?
Yes, sir. There is no any permission for you. You are ordered to go back. And wait to get permission.
Okay, wait for the permission. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Back to 16 out.
Thank you. Back to 16 out.